Hello and welcome. Today we've got this fuel impact driver. It's got quite a simple problem, but quite an annoying problem. If you look down there, there's a butt holder broke in the collet. Look, you can't get the butt holder into it because there's a chunk still left inside. So what do you do when this happens? Quite simple. You remove this collet here. This collet has to come off, and what you do is take off the snap ring, the washer, the spring, and there's two balls, and hopefully we'll be able to free it up, be able to get that bit loose. Taking apart the collet is a fiddly procedure, but you don't need any special real tools or anything well sophisticated to do it. Usually a screwdriver like this, or maybe a wee hook and pick or something like that. I have a hook and pick set like this here. It can be quite useful when removing these. Just something like this can be incredibly useful to get under that little snap ring off there. That's the hardest part. Then you take the washer off. Then there's the spring. And then this is the part you need to be careful of. When you take off this collet, there's balls there and they can drop out. We'll take that collet off anyway. There's two balls there. So we need to try not to lose them because they're a specific size, you know. There's one out. Get the other one out there. The magnetic tray is your best friend with these sort of things. So that's what's holding the. Get this retaining thing that holds the two balls in. Easily, we'll get that off. As well. That's good. There we are. So we'll have to try and get this broken bit out now. I don't know if you can see that. See it down in there. Might come out not so bad. There it is. There's the Fenton item. Where'd it go? No, it didn't go. That's it there. That's the bit we need out. There you are. The washer must have come off. Anyway, so when you have that done, it's only a matter of putting everything back on the way you got it. I'll just move this down to see if I can get close-up reassembly here. The first part is this, and just slide it on over that. Hopefully you can see what I'm doing here. And there's two slots there. You can see them, I'll just get them right up close. See that slot there? Like that, and we'll turn it around to get the other side. just to show you where everything goes. That slot goes in there. Them two things hold the balls in. So there we are. So we'll turn them round and we'll put the balls back in. I always think it's probably good practice in these impact drivers, any brand impact driver for that part. A little bit of grease helps stick the balls in place when you're reassembling, and it hopefully negates the possibility of it rolling off onto the floor and losing them. You want to avoid that kind of carry on. So that's one ball in there. That's ball number 1. And this is ball number 2. Ball number 2. Right. And next thing is collet. Just put that out over it. Okay, like that. And the spring. Then the washer. Like that. Right. This is the tricky part now. Getting this all together. And getting the snap ring back on. The split ring, you know. You can see that. Right. Oh, it's working out well. Can't believe it got it first time. That doesn't always happen, but it's good when it does. Right, so that's a good job. Let's move this back up again. And we'll try the butt holder now. See? That's it. That's perfect. That's a fantastic job. I'm calling that fixed. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and check out my channel for all my other videos.